welcome back to another vlog. Don't worry, I'm not naked. Yes, so today I'm just using a DIY mask. It's a charcoal with neem powder. Yeah, charcoal with neem powder. It's been a long time I masked. Like, it's been really long that I had a mask on. Well, in the spirit of self-care and soft life, we mask. So now let me do a proper intro. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscription button and welcome to the gang. And if you're not, what's up, this is a new vlog, you guys. As you can see, I'm in a happy mood and taking care of myself as usual. So that's basically it. Yeah, so I just came to be vain. The way this mask is so cold. Hey love. Oh god, it's very weird that I haven't been active. Do you know that it's now that I've decided to do vlog that all this noise is happening? But don't worry, the noise you hear now, you shall hear no more. Either way, yeah, it's I don't know, it's been ages. I think it's last month, so I will first start with saying happy new month, you guys. Better late than never. Yeah, today I don't know. This past few weeks I have just been taking a break for myself, just resting. I haven't even really been on social media, honestly. Maybe I think the only people I've kept up with are my friends that I keep snaps, like, so that they just know my day-to-day living. Hey, I'm not dead, that kind of thing. But either I've not done anything else out of sorts. I've just been resting, you know, living the good life, you know. Yeah, basically. So like, I want you guys to see my robe. Yeah, so like, what else? Nothing. I've been reading this book. Yeah, this is what I've been doing. And resting, you know, being vain, like brushing my wigs, arranging my place, like eating, sleeping, not doing anything that would stress me. And if I will not lie, I've been evasive too. I was supposed to go to the hospital, but I didn't end up going because I was scared. But either way, yes, I will link you guys or will show you guys if I'm going, and I know eventually I have to do so. I think I've gone from this point of wanting to be stressed out, of knowing what the next life will come with, what the next thing will do, what basically anything will entail. I'm just like enjoying the process while it lasts, and you know, moving forward, doing things for myself, taking a step, one step at a time. You don't become a millionaire by just wishing it to happen. You have to walk steps. And ASU is not even helping me, you guys. This girl is supposed to be a graduate. I would have graduated to 2021, but they so yeah, basically. And I think today I'm going to loosen my hair and give myself a hair treatment, or rather my sister will do it for me because she's the hair person. So I'm going to give myself hair treatment, and there's a supermarket that opened like not far from, like, a stone throw from my house. So my house is my road rather is gradually becoming a metropolis, and it's really annoying because it wasn't this way. Like, all this noise, it didn't used to be there. Now everywhere is so noisy, you get. But yeah, I'm going to go and check it out if they have my face wash, because I'm almost out. Yeah, that's basically it. That's all that there is to it. So that's what I'll be doing today, you guys. And I don't know, I went online to check the price of books because I wanted to buy paperbacks. I'm more of a paperback fan, so I wanted to get paperbacks, but they're expensive, you guys. I don't know whether it's inflation or what it is, but a book going for 3,000 is quite absurd to me. I should be buying like 3 books for 3,000, you know. It's a book. Yeah, so either way, that's all. Yes, while waiting for my face mask to dry, I wanted to do a video on living the soft life. And the thing about me is that before I come onto this place and tell you guys how to do stuff and what to do, I must have first experienced it or tested it to first tell you guys. I just cannot come up here and tell you guys what I've not done to get. So yeah, I'm understanding it and living soft. Like, if you want to practice living a soft life, you know that you gradually let go of overthinking and worrying and trying to stress yourself over unnecessary things, and just live, just try not to let things bother you and all that. So I will be doing a video on that pretty soon. Like, it's been ages since I did a sit and talk video, you guys. It's been long, but when I'm coming back, with full force. I think I will relax my hair. It's time, because this braid is not up to a week. Yeah, I did this on Friday. Okay, it's a week. I did it on Friday, and this is Friday again. So basically, I'll soon relax this hair because I'm tired. A 1-week-old hair should not be looking like this, you guys. But mine is. Yeah, that's all I came to rant. I wish I was with a bottle of wine and something so that I'll just sit and relax. But unfortunately, the restaurant, the unfortunately for me, they have restored lights in Cross River State, but where I'm staying, there's no light because something happened to the transformer and Nigeria being Nigeria and all that. But I'm really hopeful that there will be lights, because without lights, you feel less productive, if you get my drift. Yeah, I'm feeling in a happy mood. June is filled with blessings. If you watch my vlog, you're already blessed, sweetheart. You're already blessed. So yeah, that's it. I'm going over, and basically, the drill. Anything I want to do, you guys are going to see. Strictly roots and culture vibes that in a different style and different pattern. So now we are having a dance and a blood clot 24/7. We party hard in a blood clot at 24/7. It's 4 in the morning. What you have to do? Let me see you just jump and prance. One tail. Papa. My God. Hey loves, good morning. This is Monday. You know that sudden urge to feel pretty early in the morning. So this is me on my wig this morning. So basically today I'm just going to be washing my brushes, my makeup brushes, because it's been a while that I washed it. I think it's been a month that I washed it or more, give or take. So today I'll just be washing my makeup brushes, my lashes, cleaning my makeup box generally, nothing special there. Then I will go to fix my laptop, my laptop charger, because get this, there has not been lights in Cross River for like a month plus. Then they gave lights, then there was no lights on my side for like another 3 weeks. Yeah, so they brought it, and I think because of that the current wasn't stable and it had an issue on my adapter and stuff like that. So basically that's what I'm going to be doing today. Yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing today. Taking my charger. If I'm to replace it, I'll get a new one, and cleaning up my makeup box. Nothing special, nothing out of sorts. So yeah, that's basically it, you guys. Let's see. Hey guys, so I'm on my way to go and get my laptop fixed. My delivery just came in, so I'll just go get it at the same point in time. So yeah, basically that's it. Hey guys, good afternoon. Yeah, I don't even know how I am holding this camera safe, but either ways, today I had a doctor's appointment. I left very early, so like I don't know, I didn't have time to make a vlog, like an entry into the day, stuff like that. But yeah, I got over my fear of going to the hospital, and I went to the hospital. I had my chest x-rayed, and well, they confirmed my fears of having GERD, which is gastrointestinal reflux. It's like acid reflux, but a more serious type. But I'll be fine. I've been fine, but I'll be fine. I got more drugs and stuff like that makes me sleep. So if I'm lazy in production, bear with me. Thank you. yeah, basically that's it. I just came to make this entry because I know that I did not have time to make one before going to the hospital. Yes. So yeah, that's basically it. Tomorrow I think I'll be leaving the house early too. I'm going to get my PVC. I haven't gotten one and I've been procrastinating. So while the ginger is in my body, let me go and get it basically. And I'm breaking out. This is period breakout, that's all it is. And I really like my breakout now. It's not really that serious as compared to before. Yeah, so be consistent with using your products, you guys, and you'll see the change. Besides that, yeah, I don't have what much to say. So hey guys, I just came back from doing my PVC registration and it was fast because I met somebody I knew and the person helped me through it, and yeah, basically that's all. I really just came back and I came to eat. I'm even in the mood to do a video. That's nice. My health is improving. So yeah, let's be seeing whether I have energy to do a video because the drugs I'm taking, 1 minute I'm talking to you and the next minute I'm sleeping. It's horrible, God. But yeah, we'll be fine. So I just came to tell you guys to go and get to PVC. You cannot be subscribed to my channel and you're not getting PVC. Why now? That's wrong. Go and get to PVC.